side, so we chopping out the bando, chopping out the bando, chopping out the whoa, yeah, we chopping out the bando, chopping out the bando, not the another bando, another chopping out the bando, the no ties, so we chopping out the bando.
Hi Nan.
Hi,
we
Nan.
miss you so much.
You're not gone, but we're going to miss you so much, actually.
No, you promised it was when you're there.
Remember, there's only me that loves you more than
We
everybody
love
else
you
in
too.
this life.
Please on there.
See, let me just see, Siba.
When you see yourself on YouTube, don't be shocked. I was wondering who you're that person. So guys, at this point they are just announced that there will be no food on the aircraft because apparently like something happened, and the captain said if you are unable to travel, speak to the what they call them, the cabin crew, and they'll let you off. And Nigerians got so upset, and like they're like, oh my god, like is it because it's Africa, like like would you do this to a white person? And they were like so upset. Then they ended up giving us snacks and those cookies and some pretzels, and at the end of the flight they gave us like vouchers to purchase like any form of food in the airport. Time now is 5:55. I bought myself some fries in the airport and something to eat. I was so tired, and I didn't have enough time, so I had to run to my gates because the earlier flight was delayed. And I couldn't even finish these fries. I couldn't even finish these fries. So now, next stop, Vancouver. See ya. So guys, I'm off to my hotel. I'm so tired. Apparently now I have to get tested, so I filled all the forms and I'm just waiting in line for my COVID test. So guys, I just got to my hotel. This is my home for the night, and then I will take my next flight tomorrow back to my house. Cute, right? guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm about to bath and sleep. I'm so tired. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on my vlog day 2.